Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency based question for 2 marks. Let's look at the question. The frequency distribution of daily rainfall in a town during a certain period is shown below. They've given you a table with the rainfall in millimeters and the number of days. Unfortunately, due to manual errors, the information on the 20 to 40 millimeter range got deleted from the data. If the mean daily rainfall for the period was 35 millimeters, find the number of days when the rainfall ranged between 20 to 40 millimeters. Show your work. Okay, now if you have to find the number of days when the rainfall ranged between 20 to 40, what they actually mean is you have to find the value of x. Okay, so let's find out how to solve the question. Okay, now I've drawn the table here with the given information. Let me add two new columns to the table. One is xi, that is the mid values of each of the class intervals, and fi times xi. Okay, that is fi is this column and times with xi. Okay, now we know that the mid value of class 0 to 20 is 10, 20 to 40 is 30, 40 to 60 is 50, and 60 to 80 is 70. Okay, so now let's multiply fi times xi. That gives me 70, 30x, 500 and 280. Now let's add up all of this and find out the value of the total fi xi values, and that would be 850 plus 30x. And the value of sigma fi is equal to 21 plus x. Okay, so now let's find the mean. Mean is given by sigma fi times xi divided by sigma fi. Now mean is given in the question as 35 millimeters. So 35 is equal to 850 plus 30x divided by 21 plus x. So that's 35 into 21 plus x is equal to 850 plus 30x. Okay, let's open up the bracket. So that gives us 735 plus 35x is equal to 850 plus 30x. Okay, let me bring 30x to the left hand side and take 735 to the right hand side, which gives me 5x is equal to 115, or the value of x is 115 divided by 5, which is 23. Therefore, x is equal to 23. That is the number of days when rainfall ranged between 20 to 40 millimeters is 23 days. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.